How to change mouse DPI to 800. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change mouse DPI to 800. To change the mouse DPI, you can use different methods depending on your mouse features. DPI controls the sensitivity of your mouse. With the higher DPI makes your cursor move faster and lower DPI makes your cursor move slower. Now to get started, first of all you need to open the mouse settings of your device. Click on the search bar at the bottom and there type in mouse settings. You will be presented with the search results. Here click on this mouse settings. Here you will be able to see this mouse pointer speed. At the right side you will be able to see this slider. Now you can adjust this slider as per your preference. If you move the slider to the right side, it will increase your DPI, which makes your cursor move faster. And when you drag it to the left side, it will decrease your cursor movement. You can adjust it to the number where you feel the speed of your cursor is fine. Also, if you want the higher DPI, you can increase it by sliding it to right side. Here you will not be able to see the exact 800 DPI, but you will be able to adjust it as per your preference. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your mouse DPI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.